Hi friends, for science today, we get to build something that you guys can make music with. You're going to need 2 paper plates, a stapler, and something that's going to make noise. I'm using change. You can use pennies, you can use rice, you can use paper clips, you can use noodles, anything that you think that is going to make noise. So to start, you're going to need an adult's help, and you're going to take the paper plates. I know it's hard to see, but this side is the side that you put the food on. So you want the 2 sides that you put the food on to go together, so that way you have a dome. And then this is where the adult is going to help you. Staple going around the plates. Make sure that you leave a big enough opening to put your materials in though. And give me a second to do that. Okay, so I've stapled going around my paper plate and I left an opening so that way I can put my change in or whatever you are using to make noise. That's good. Once you got them in, go ahead and staple your opening closed. And then you have a shaker. What does your shaker sound like compared to this one? Does yours sound louder or quieter? I also made another one. Listen. Ooh, see how they sound different? What do you think is in this other one that I already had made before? This one's my change. What do you think is in this one? What does your guys' sound like? I hope that you had fun. Remember that we're learning about our 5 senses, and we can hear these paper plates making noise when we shake them, right? What's inside is making noise, and we use our ears to hear. So that's just one of our 5 senses that we are exploring. You can hear things. Sometimes we hear things that are loud. Sometimes we hear things that are quiet. Sometimes we hear things that we think sound good, but other times we hear things that we don't necessarily think sound good. Like squeaky brakes are really squeaky. Maybe we don't like squeaky. Some people don't like loud music, so maybe loud music might be something that you don't like. Some people like lullabies and quiet music. So there's all sorts of different things that we can hear. It can be loud, it can be quiet. And depending on what you put in your shaker might be loud, it might be quiet. Can you make up a song using your shaker? If you can, let us know, and you can share your song during our Zoom meeting. I hope that you guys had fun, and I can't wait to see your shakers.